After adding a connector with media support, for example an S3 connector, you're ready to upload files to Orbitype. Here we already have two folders, one for images and one for videos, but you are free to create additional ones. Just select New Folder and type a name, for example Documents. Orbitype supports all kinds of media files, images, videos, document formats like PDFs, and allows you to explore them right here in Orbitype, including live preview. Let's switch to the images folder. I've already uploaded one image here of the fall season. You can click on the thumbnail to open up a detail view, or choose the three dots here for context actions. To upload new files, click on the three dots here or anywhere in empty space with your right mouse button and select Upload File. You may then select one or more images from your local system and transfer them to Orbitype. After a successful upload, you are ready to use these images in your other connectors, for example in a database row. Here I've prepared a seasons table in which we will create rows for the various seasons with whatever information you want to add, for example a name. One column, called image here, will hold a file reference. Let's create a new row. Set a name. This will be the entry for winter, and select the image. Currently it is undefined. Click on the button here on the right to open up the Explorer and choose the image you want to reference. The image URL will then be set here as the value of the column. Save and you're good to go.